11.3, we are posting to a general ledger. So it's similar to what you've done in the past, but you are going to add some new concepts into it. So first direction says to start a new page for a general ledger account for supplies-office. So we need to scroll down here and get open to our ledger for supplies-office. We need to put in for October 1st our balance. Oops, I forgot to put the 1 in there. Oops. Was debit $3,824. We're going to put our check mark there because we told to in the directions. So our account number is going to be 1145, which we have right there. It's already in there for us, so we have completed step number 1. Step number 2 is to post the account October 19th general debit entry of the cash payments journal to the appropriate ledger account. So scroll back up to our cash payments journal. We need our October 19th, so we're looking at this date right here, our debit. So it's going to be going into supplies-office, a debit of $69.60. So scrolling back down, 19th, debit of $69.60 gives me a total of $3893.60. And we got the number from our cash payments journal, page 15. Step number 3 says to post the October 12th general journal entry to the appropriate general ledger accounts. So we need to go to our general journal this time. So we're going to be using all of these 3 transactions right here. So first things first, we need to find our sales returns and allowances ledger. Open that one up. And we are going to be putting the date of the 12th. It's going to be a debit of $52. It's on General Journal, page 11, so G11. So 903 plus 52 gives me 955. We've completed the ledger portion. Now, last thing we need to do is go up here and put our account number in, so 4130. Next one, sales tax payable. So open your sales tax payable ledger. Date is the 12th from G11, from General Journal, page 11. It is a debit of $3.12. So we have a credit minus a debit, so $14.10 minus $3.12 gives me $1406.88. And we need to take this 2140 and put it up here in our post ref, 2140. Next one we need to do is our accounts receivable. So we need to open up our accounts receivable ledger. Account number is going to be 1130, so I'm going to put that up here right now. Now, as you can see, there's a split. So that means that accounts receivables account number is 1130 and David Bishop's number is 110. So we're going to go do our accounts receivable 1130. So as I was saying, we have our account number 1130 up here for accounts receivable. We need to take the 5512 credit, post it down here. 5512. Oh, make sure you put a point in there, because if not, it's not going to recognize it. The date was the 12th. We're doing General Journal, page 11. So we have a debit and a credit. So 1339.85 minus 5512 gives me 1284.73. Alright, next step we need to do, in the directions tells me to post the October 26th General Journal entry to the appropriate general ledger accounts. So next one is supplies-office. So open up your supplies-office. And we have a debit of 2544. So my account number is 1145. Down here my date is the 26th. We're doing General Journal, page 11. Debit 2544. A debit plus a debit gives me a total of 6437.60. right, next transaction, accounts payable. Open up your accounts payable. So as you can see again, we have a double one. So we have accounts payable as the first number, which is 2110. And then our electrographics is 230. So we're posting a credit from the 26th from G11. 2544. So we have a credit plus a credit gives me a total of 5061.80. Alright, next thing we have again is we're going to do on the 28th. So next direction says to post the October 28th general journal entries to the appropriate ledgers, and then to save these ledgers for work together 11/4. So last transaction is the 28th. We already have accounts payable open, so we know it's 2110. We're going to be doing general journal page 11, debiting 125. So we have a credit of 5061.80 minus 125 still gives me a credit of 4936.80. Alright, now last one, purchases, returns, and allowances. So open up that ledger. And we have the date of the 28th. We're using G11. Credit of 125. 5130 is my count up top here. So I have a credit plus a credit gives me a grand total of 2026.35. Alright, so as you can see, it's just taking numbers from the journals and posting them in the ledgers, making sure you use the correct debit or credit columns, and bringing over the balance so you have one final balance number. So that's it for 11.3. Take your time and give it on your own a shot. Good luck.